Hey girls, welcome to another video. So in today's video, we did this full glam using just drugstore products. I'm obsessed. It's definitely giving high ends, but it's drugstore. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I've recently been loving this Pond's moisturizer. Supposedly it's really good for dark spots. I haven't been using it that long, but I can already tell like a huge difference. So we're gonna rub that in. Low-key, I feel like I need to put more clips on my hair. I always start with eyebrows first. So for eyebrows, I love this Milani. This is the Milani Weekend Brow Pencil. This is in the shade medium brown. I just like to fill in my brows lightly with this, just like this. That's literally all I like to do with my brows. Then I go in with this NYX brow glue. Go over the brows and just comb them. That's literally all I like to do with my brows. Then I take this NYX concealer. Taking this concealer and we're just gonna carve out the bottom of our brows. And then I also like to put this all over my eyelid as my eyeshadow primer. We're gonna set that with this Maybelline Fit Me powder and we're just gonna set the eyelids. This is gonna give us a perfect base for eyeshadow. This is a hack I've been doing for the longest time. For eyeshadow, we're gonna take some tape. This is going to be the guide for our eyeshadow and our winged eyeliner. Just like that. This is the palette I'm using today. This is the Rosé to Fame. I'm just going to be taking this shade right here and we're going to focus that just on the outer end and bringing it maybe like halfway in. You kind of just want to keep blending that just on the outer end and bringing it to the halfway point, like here. Okay, I'm taking the tiniest amount of this color right here, and you really just want to focus that color just in the corner and kind of like smoking it out. Okay, we're gonna take this middle glitter shimmer shade with our finger, put that on the inner lid. Now we're gonna do the other eye. Taking this lightest pinky shade, we're gonna put that in the inner corner to brighten everything up, like right here. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. Look how thin that is. I think it's like $2-3, I don't know. This is the key part where the tape comes in. We're just going to follow that line and it's going to be so easy to do the wing. Just like that. Like how easy was that? Now for the most satisfying part, let's take the tape off. Moving on to eyelashes, I've been loving these eyelashes. They're from the brand Sanlu Fly. I got them on Amazon. I'm going to be linking everything below for you guys. They are the perfect cat eyelashes. If you don't know how to put lashes on, the key is to put lash glue on the eyelash and on your eye, like on top of the eyeliner. So I'm going to put this lash glue on the lashes and then we're going to come back when I have the lashes on. Okay, lashes are on. I cut them to like a half lash and we're just gonna curl them. So now we're going on to the base, which is my favorite part, I'm not gonna lie. So for base, I've really been obsessed with this Maybelline Grippy primer. For this part, I'm for sure gonna put 2 clips because I do not want makeup in my hair. And no matter what, I still get makeup in my hair, so. Okay, primer. Look how glowy. Okay, while that sits a little bit, I'm going to show you guys the foundation for today. It's going to be this Maybelline Super Stay. This is the Lumi Matte. Such a good drugstore foundation, so we're just going to give that a shade. I'm in the shade 120. It might be a little dark for me, but honestly, I kind of like when I have like a darker foundation color. Okay, while the primer sits, I'm also gonna go wet a beauty blender, so I'll be right back. Okay, we are back with a damp beauty blender. I'm gonna put 2 pumps of this foundation on the back of my hand. I've been obsessed with a brush like this. I got this from Amazon, but Morphe has one just like this. It's the perfect brush to paint your foundation on. Oh my god. Highly recommend a brush like this. It just gives you like an even layer of foundation. Okay, whatever is on the back of your hand, you're just gonna pick up with your beauty blender. Like, this is flawless. We're gonna carve out our eyebrows with the foundation. I've been loving to do this. blend all that in. Okay, now for liquid contour, I've been loving this one from Milani. This is in the shade 01 Honey. It might be a little bit too light, but this is like the perfect like contour shade. And I like to keep it up to have that like lift effect. We're gonna do quite a lot on my forehead because I have a huge forehead, and just like a little bit on the tip of our nose, and then we're just gonna blend that upward. You're gonna grab a brush. I like to use this one from Morphe. This is the liquid bronzer brush, the M240. Morphe has like the softest brushes, but if you guys do want a dupe for Morphe, I've recently found this one. This is the Jessup brand from Amazon. It's like the same exact thing, super soft and cheaper. So we're just gonna blend that up. Just blend it all the way up to your temple and into the forehead. Okay, this is in the shade Dewy Bright Pink. This is super pigmented, so I'm just gonna put 2 small dots. 1, honestly that might be a little too much already. 2, you guys will see what I mean by when I say this is super pigmented. Okay, so I'm taking this brush I got from Shein. This is a dupe to the Sephora Foundation Pro Foundation 47. And now we're just gonna tap that blush. We're gonna keep that all the way up here and a little bit underneath our eyes. It's a really pretty pinky color though. I really love this. That was only 2 tiny dots. I couldn't even imagine if I put more. Let's do this side. Just like that. Oh my gosh, that blush is so pigmented. I know we look crazy, but this is exactly how you want to look. Now we're gonna move on to concealer. So for concealer, I've been obsessed. This is the NYX Bare concealer. I really love a bright under eye. This isn't fair. So we're gonna take that and we're gonna put that on the back of our hand because it does have like a little pump. It's super creamy. It's like a flat brush. And I'm gonna pick up that concealer and we're just gonna place that underneath the eye. And I'm kind of just gonna blend that out with this brush first. Okay, we're gonna take that same beauty blender and pick up whatever is left. And we're gonna just blend that out. Okay, we're gonna set it with this L'Oreal pink powder. This is another thing, like I highly recommend this L'Oreal pink powder. Is amazing. I'm gonna take a little bit of that powder and I'm just gonna put whatever's left over on the back of my hand just to make sure it's an even layer. You always want to blend and then stay looking up, like don't look down. That's how you're gonna get creases. Our under eyes are so smooth. Now for the rest of our face, I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Fit Me powder. Set our entire face with this powder. Okay, now that you look like a ghost, you kind of want to look like a ghost. If you don't look like a ghost, you're not putting enough powder on. You want to put powder because this is what's going to make your makeup last. It's going to make you look like a filter. It's going to make you, you know, like you got a filter in real life. Okay, now that we look like a ghost, we are ready for bronzer. So I'm going to use this NYX Butter Melt bronzer in the shade Deserve Butter. You kind of just want to go over the same part that we put the liquid bronzer or contour. And then again, I'm using these brushes from Jessup. Highly recommend. A lot on our big forehead. This bronzer is so good. We're gonna take the same bronzer and we're gonna do a little bit of nose contour, just going over like the same places that we put the liquid. I'm still not a pro at the nose contour, but I feel like it really does make a difference when you put a little bit of contour on it, just on the sides and go all the way up. Okay, for blush, we're gonna use 2 blushes. This one from ColourPop, I've been obsessed with lately. This is in the Pretty Air. It's like the perfect bubblegum pink. We're gonna put that right here. So pretty. Okay, and on top, we're gonna take this Juvia's Place. We're gonna take this baby pink color and we're just gonna put that right on top. And that is it for blush. We are gonna bake now. To bake, we're gonna be using that same L'Oreal pink powder. I've been obsessed to bake with pink powder. I feel like it just brightens everything up. So we're gonna take some of that powder and we're gonna cut right here. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. a little bit on our smile lines. I need the translucent shade of this because this powder is like the #1 drugstore powder. Contour our nose with that, like that, and the tiniest bit on our forehead. While that bakes, I'm gonna take a little bit of this Rimmel, I think, Rimmel London black eyeliner for our waterline and just put the tiniest bit. Then we're gonna take this color and we're gonna put a little bit on our waterline just to blend everything to make it seamless. Let's dust all of this off. For the lip combo now, we're gonna go in with this Maybelline lifter liner in the shade On It. This is like the perfect brown liner. It's the perfect shade. Okay, taking this Revlon, this is like the perfect baby pink lipstick. If you have not tried it, this is the Revlon lipstick in the shade Make It Pink. Look, it's like so perfect. Look how perfect, like, oh my gosh. For gloss, we're gonna use my favorite baby pink. This is the Essence in the shade Flower Blossom. And we're gonna go over that with this. We're gonna go back in with the brown liner and just blend it. Okay, but this lip combo eats. We're gonna put the tiniest bit of highlight. So I'm gonna use this one from Makeup Revolution. It's like the perfect white. We're gonna put the tiniest bit on the tip of our nose. A little bit here. Okay, for setting spray, we're gonna be using two. We're gonna be using this one from Milani and this one from L'Oreal. So first, we're gonna be using the Milani. Now the one from L'Oreal. This one, top tier, top tier. I'm just gonna add the tiniest bit of mascara on our lower lash line. This is the final makeup look. I'm obsessed. Okay, let's take out these clips to see the real final look. And look, I still got makeup in my hair. I just can't prevent it. And when I put the headband on, I feel like it works better, but I don't know, like my head is just too big for headbands and like it's so tight. But let's fix this hair. Final look with the hair. Thank you girlies so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.